How to open a cable tie without cutting. You don't need a scissors for this. Okay. Okay, so if you notice on the cable tie, they are like gear-like grooves on the cable tie, and inside this lock, this we call it the lock of the cable tie. If you notice, there's like a notch. Okay, this notch will lock the cable tie in its place. So when you insert the cable tie, okay, okay, so this notch will prevent the cable tie from going in the reverse direction. Thereby you can't pull it open. So the key to opening up a cable tie without cutting is that you need to get your fingernails lodged between the grooves and the locking mechanism. Okay, so if the cable tie is too short, you need to pull it out a bit like this. So first you bend the cable tie this way, put your fingernails between the grooves and the locking mechanism, right, like that. Try to pry them apart. The moment you pry them apart, you can just pull it out. Simple as that. Okay, so let me demo another time. So if the cable tie is too short, you pull it out a bit, bend it this way, put your fingernails between the grooves and the locking mechanism. Okay, pry it apart, just pull it out, just like that. Quick and easy, without cutting.